No, no, I don't. I give up. No, 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 I don't.
Hello everyone, my name is Dina Sardia. You can call me Indi for short. And today I want to tell you about the difference between the Indonesia and Western culture. Culture is lifestyle that develop and is shared by group of the people that passed down from generation to generation. Culture is the made of many complex elements, including religious and the political system, custom, language, clothing, building, and work of art. Language as well as culture. Culture is complex, abstract, and broad. Many, many aspects of culture also determine communicative behavior. The socio-cultural element is many human social activities. But the difference between Western and the East culture, the difference between the West and East are reflected by many factors, which are also the characteristic of the each in the pattern of life. Many things which Western consider common turn out of the very anecdotal and the Easterns. This proves the between the West and the East their culture difference and certain habits in the life patterns. Eastern culture. Eastern nations are very famous for their hospitality to other people even too. They are foreign. How do they greet each other? Smile to make small talk, offering food and drink. Cultivation of this culture is awareness by doing various kinds of the physical and mental training. Physical training can be exemplified by the maintaining a diet and drink pattern or what food and can be eaten and what drink can be drunk. Because this can affect both growth and the physicality. As for mental training, it can be in the form of the activities and are generally carried out alone, such as meditating, praying, worshiping, and so on. In Indonesia, viewpoint fashion represents how the characteristic of the somebody is. It's the symbol of him or her personality, age, or social standing. Before choosing your clothes, you must think over your event, the situation, or your rule. You will get the complaint if you wear inappropriate fashion. Wearing sexy clothes in the considered rather taboo on the impolite because the Indonesia has strong Eastern ethical and the influence of the Islamic value. When Miss Indonesia 2004, Artika Sari Devi wore her bikini in the fashion show of the Miss Universe contest, she got many protests from Indonesia. Unlike in Indonesia, people in the USA can choose what the clothes they want to wear freely. An old woman can wear the vivid clothes with the many bright accessories. A boy may change his hair in the unique style. A girl may draw the tattoo on her skill. Nobody will complain what their fashion is. The second significant difference between the two countries is about food. Some Indonesians have difficulty to choose their food in the USA. They are not familiar to eat Western food, even though some of them are healthy. A bread mixed with fresh vegetable and bread is rather strange for the Indonesian tongue. Another difference is about rice, which become main menu from Indonesian breakfast, lunch, and dinner as well without feeling bored. The rice is served with lauk pauk or food that product from animal like fish, egg, or chicken, and sayur mayur or vegetable. And actually, it's not difficult to find American restaurant in the Indonesian, but the restaurant have been adjusted to Indonesian taste. For example, McDonald's will give you have some rice you get there in the other countries like Japan or China. McDonald's and other rice. It's meaning McDonald's has market strategy to attract their customers. Other international restaurants such as Hoka Bento and KFC also adopt this strategy. In the USA, people usually eat hamburger, sandwich, or salad. Most the American food is similar that Indonesia wants, but the more solid. Americans also love coffee like Indonesian love rice. Every morning, Americans drink coffee. It's like the part of their life. The third unique difference is about religion. Having a religion is so essential for people in Indonesia. The reason about that, as a long history, after Indonesia got independence from Netherlands and Japan in 1945, Indonesian leader declared Pancasila, the Indonesian state ideology. It contains the five participles. The first participle of Pancasila is ketuhanan yang Maha Esa or a belief in one supreme being. It means Indonesia set as non-secular countries. However, Indonesia is not countries of specific religion. Indonesia can choose freely their religions such as Islam, Catholic, Hindu, or Buddha. They usually have same religion with their parents. Indonesian children get religion education in school as the subject and in their home from their parents. And Polly talk about religion even you ask someone, what's your religion? It's not common. You invite someone to go to class or the mosque. Sometimes my friend Indonesia have different religion to make me do solat. Why you do solat, Indi? It's official document. It usually have field that asks about religion. The culture is so different when you live in USA. Religion is private thing in this country. Alright everyone, I think that's all. Thank you for watching and see you and bye bye.